The Best Workplaces for Commuters program is an award-based program where we recognize employers in Fairfax County in front of the Board of Supervisors for Fairfax County for implementing transportation commute programs. This award definitely gives them national recognition that they are a part of the list for best workplaces for commuters. In order to be recognized for the best workplaces for commuter programs, employers have to fall into Fairfax's level 3 or 4 program levels, in which we base the program levels on the type of programs that they have in place. For those companies that don't have any programs in place, we're willing to come out and work with you to implement those programs, to build your program up. The county was awarded for the Best Workplaces program in 2012 for their telework program as well as their transportation commuter benefits program. Currently the program is in its 4th year and for the first 3 years we have about approximately 30 businesses in the area that have participated, and we're looking to grow the program again this year.